Hey y'all, this is Mrs. Haas, and I wanted to look at a couple of websites with you, and thank you for humoring me with taking a look at some of the climate change materials and thinking about the Paris Climate Accord and whether or not the U.S. should have stayed in it. And I'm not saying that there is a yes or no, right or wrong, but I think it's really good for you guys to think about these things. This webpage right here is showing us how they believe the Arctic sea ice has changed in its mass over the past 40 years or so. And you can see a significant decrease in its size. But I want you to see that there's just different data and different ideas that you can find. This article also talks about the Greenland ice sheet, that inland it hasn't been disappearing that much, but they think that it could. But as some of the sea ice melts around that area, some scientists think it could allow some more moisture to evaporate into the atmosphere and the clouds, and potentially it could snow more on the ice sheet and actually build it back up. But there is a lid effect where some warm air traps what's going on at the surface there, and if that lid becomes leakier, that its moisture could escape back into the atmosphere. So my point is just that there's a lot of data and a lot of different thoughts on what's going on with the world climate and how it's really changing and how much humans are really affecting it. So just want y'all to continue to think about it and develop your own opinions and ideas as you hear about legislation and how it affects our economy, and just continue to develop your own ideas and opinions, and don't be afraid to express those and vote in coming years to express your views and opinions. So you're welcome to take a look at these sites on your own. One of these is climate.nasa.gov/news, and this was sciencedaily.com. So take a look at those. I hope you're having a good week, and I will talk to you later.